How to fix GTA 5 uh, entry point error, easy and quick. If you want to solve it, it's easy. First, just go to settings here, then go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps. Now turn off all background apps here, then type here device manager. Now just make sure to update your display adapters, right click on it and click update driver, and then search automatically, and that's it. Now after that, restart your PC and try to launch this AV again, and if that doesn't fix it, go to Windows Security, Virus Threat Protection, then go to Manage Settings, scroll down until you find Exclusions, click add or remove exclusion and click yes, and that's it. Now click add an exclusion and select file, and that's it. Now you need to find GTA 5 location and click open, and that's it. Now restart your PC again and try, and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.